My name is Marilu Núñez. I'm an industrial engineer from the University of Lima in Peru.
Hi everyone, my name is Max and I hold a bachelor degree in sociology and a second degree in agriculture science, followed by a master's degree in entrepreneurship and innovation.
My name is Andika. So I'm currently a master's student at the University of Edinburgh Business School and currently studying entrepreneurship and innovation.
My name is Gabrielle. I'm from Brazil, and my background is in law and banking.
So the project is like helping to analyze impactful case study of open data. So we tried to do like in a more gamified experience. So that's why we created the QR, so people can like, the QR are gonna be in public spaces like maybe bus stops or supermarkets or around schools or universities. So people citizens can go and just can scan the QR with their cell phones, and they can be like engaged and understand the initiatives that have been developed by startups, companies, public sector, different type of stakeholders. And also they can like suggest a new service they wanted to, or a need they have that they wanted to be solved. So they could like have this feedback loop, and new companies can like, or the government can be like aware of what are their citizen needs, and they can start solving these type of challenges.
When I saw this project, and I see like a huge opportunity to work for the first time with public sector, and to apply all the things about like advocating for a project, and also dealing with the impact that open data can cause in innovation, and see how this could work in the public sector. We thought this project like in layers. So I think the first layer would be like the Scottish government employees to use this idea of like in a way that it's a platform that you can share your work.
I think the key benefit it includes increasing the openness and usability of public sector data, pushing data-driven decision-making, and building a more interesting and transparent digital ecosystem. By providing a structured framework and gamified engagement tools for our project, it can help bridge the gap between data publication and actual social impact, making open data more accessible and to both professionals and the citizens.
So I believe one of the biggest benefits is helping the Scottish government to demonstrate the real world impact of open data. So to make it easier to justify prudent investment, to more encourage public publication, and also to build a stronger public trust. I think that's the most important thing. And who will benefit from this project is, I would say, that both internal and external stakeholders will benefit. So internal, such as the policymakers and also us as a data team, and external users like the normal citizen, businesses, researchers, and civic tech innovator will also benefit from the open data that we created. So better engagements will mean better public services. One of the key lessons that I took from this project is also the government can also be flexible, engaging, and also fun while still being impactful. So this experience really changed my perspective in terms of seeing the government, showing that innovation, collaboration, and also user-centered approaches is also possible in the public sector. So that's why these are the principles that I want to carry further in my future career, to build a government that is not only efficient, but can also be closely connected to the citizen.
Partnerships are also really important. Like we can like co-create solutions together. We can like understand and involve different perspectives, because we are part of our own our shared society. So we like, many of us have different like backgrounds or experiences, and each of us is valuable. So we need to have this type of forums or public spaces where people can gather, and we can like start like sharing these type of maybe concerns, or maybe we can create this type of solutions. I would like to inspire like this new generation to be engaged with public data and create this type of solutions.
I hope in the future, the project can stimulate greater reuse and optimization of data resources, encouraging more organizations and individuals to engage with open data meaningfully. Ideally, it would build more keen partnerships, create some breakthrough applications that break out of traditional roles about reusing data, and establish open data as a strategic asset for innovation across sectors.
We had to find out, like, by talking with other people and interviewing and talk to you, like, in weekly, that there were more things that we had to work with. And it was only possible because we communicated very well with you and the people we were interviewing. And at some point, we reevaluate the project and understood that it was more than only like building the framework, building the case studies, and doing the research. And we could find like the final idea. So I will have it like for forever for all the projects I will work from now, that try to read what is the purpose behind the lines and how people connect with the purpose. Because if they can see the purpose, they can engage and collaborate better and easily. So it was an important outcome from the project that I hope I can apply for all the projects in my life.